Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Matos Domingos and today I'm going to present to you Caceres, this beautiful little city in the heart of Brazil here in Mato Grosso. Welcome to Caceres, Brazilian cultural heritage. Caceres is lovely known as the Little Princess of Paraguay due to the years of its foundation. Caceres is a city located in the state of Mato Grosso, 218 kilometers from the capital Cuiabá and about 258 kilometers from Chapada dos Guimarães National Park. It has an estimated population of 100,000 people. Located on the banks of the Paraguay River, the city is known for being one of the accesses of the Pantanal Mato-grossense, but it also draws attention for being one of the main destinations for sport fishing lovers. Here in the historic center, Caceres preserves its colonial architecture. Urbanistic and landscape structure of the city of Caceres was approved as a Brazilian cultural heritage site. The city is located on the border with Bolivia. Since its foundation, the city played an important role in defining the borders between the Portuguese and Spanish lands, and its connection with the former captaincy of São Paulo through the Paraguay River. The history of the village of São Luís de Cáceres, which was founded on October 6, 1778 by Lieutenant of Dragoons Antônio Pinto Rego e Carvalho, by determination of the 4th Governor and Captain General of the Captaincy of Mato Grosso, Luiz de Albuquerque de Melo Pereira e Cáceres. Barão do Rio Branco Square is a great place for entertainment and meetings. It has several bars and restaurants located in the famous Calçadão da Praça Barão in the historic center of Cáceres. The Praça Barão do Rio Branco is bathed by the Paraguay River, a scenery that fascinates residents and tourists with its gorgeous sunsets. And we also find here in the historical monument Marco do Jauru, which is the Treaty of Madrid, a land divider between Portugal and Spain. It was settled at the river mouth of the Jauru River on the right bank on January 18, 1754, and moved to Cáceres on February 2, 1883. The Mother Church, Cathedral São Luís de Cáceres. The construction had so many difficulties and it caused the project to be changed to the New Gothic style. The construction began in 1909 and was only finished in 1965, listed by the National Historic and Artistic Heritage, IFAN. The reasons for the foundation of the settlement were the need for defense and increase of the southwestern border of Mato Grosso, the communication between Vila Bela da Santíssima Trindade and Cuiabá, and through the Paraguay River with the captaincy of São Paulo, the fertility of the soil in the place with abundant water resources. The city was chosen as one of the Brazilian tourism inducting municipalities. Hey guys, how's it going? Today I have the pleasure to meet this beautiful family from the south of Brazil, Israel.
Israel.
And what's your name? Jamily. Oh, that's a beautiful name. And what's your name? Yasmin. And here we have, e aqui nós temos, what's your name?
Josiane.
Josiane. E essa pequenininha aqui? Hey, little girl.
Hello. Oi. Hello. Hello.
So guys, yeah, I'm gonna go with them to visit their place. They live in motorhomes. Let's check this out.
Vamos embora evitar que o negócio vai pegar. Ó, a gente tá aqui junto com ele aqui, gravando.
Vamos conhecer aqui o Sonhando Mundo Afora, pegar uma caroninha com eles até a peixaria.
mais pega pra nós é água.
Água.
Tem um tanque de 600 litros lá atrás, que é o que comporta pra nós aí uns 4 dias, né? Vambora, vamos lá.
Let's go, let's bora, brazucas! Prosa na Orla, a new concept in restaurants in the city of Cáceres, Mato Grosso. The restaurant Prosa na Orla has one of the most beautiful views of the Paraguay River, serving regional dishes and the most delicious fish of the Pantanal. Prosa na Orla offers a range of flavors from regional foods to the most sophisticated dishes. The choices between snacks with handmade hamburgers and a series of portions. For fish lovers, we have the grilled pacu band that comes with rice, banana, farofa, which is a Brazilian flour, vinaigrette, and pirão. Here is an excellent environment for a family lunch or dinner. The Pintado no Azul is great with a wonderful view of the Paraguay River. For me, it was a pleasant surprise to get to know this restaurant. It is because of the beauty of the restaurant's facilities, which allows the views of large boats at the anchorage. It's my suggestion to you. If you're gonna come to visit Caceres, you really have to pay a visit to Prosa na Orla restaurant. It's like the best fish restaurant in the city. Gasparim Grand Hotel is located in the central region of Princesinha do Pantanal, near the most commercial point. It has 16 apartments divided into standard and classic rooms, with accessibility and bridal luxury suite. All of them equipped with air conditioning, TV, minibar, Wi-Fi, telephone, and desk. In its luxury suite, it also has a jacuzzi and a winter garden. It offers one of the best cost-benefit options in the whole city. True story about the origin of the biggest boat fishing competition in freshwater in the world. Sport fishing tourism has attracted many visitors to Caceres, especially in its biggest festival, the International Sport Fishing Festival of Caceres, which attracts a public of 150,000 people. The Humble Fish Festival has become the biggest event of its kind in the world. It started in 1979 and its stage is the splendid Paraguay River, the cradle of the planet's biggest ecological sanctuary, the Pantanal Mato-grossense. isso aí, galera, hoje a noite é diferenciada, tá? Hoje à noite a janta é pizza aqui do Tutus, parceiro do Let's Para Brazucas e do Brazilian Around the World. Although their flagship product is pizza, they also work with various dishes such as noble meats, fish and even pasta, having a very diverse menu. Besides also serving the public who seeks vegetarian pizzas and even fish pizza. The space is open daily from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. It has live music, personalized, delivered by WhatsApp and landline, rated 4.6 stars. That's the guy. That's Ringo's. That's Kevin. Really? Ringo's man, Kevin. That's his son. The restaurant also offers a variety of beverages such as ice cold draft beers and drinks.
Soy contra el gobierno, contra el gobierno. Ela me aponta, eu berro. Al gobierno soy contra. Al gobierno soy contra. Al gobierno soy contra, soy contra, soy contra. Contra el gobierno, contra el gobierno. Pero soy. Segura! Vamos lá! Prazer, amor, a gente não quer só comer, a gente quer prazer pra aliviar a dor. A gente não quer só dinheiro, a gente quer dinheiro e felicidade. Agora, comida é plástico. Você tem sede de quê? De quê? Você tem fome de quê? De quê? A gente não quer só comida, a gente quer comida, diversão e arte. Televisão do luxo, muito demais. Líder, fala pra nós que eu nunca li um livro que os filhos conseguiram segurar. Levantadas pro céu, implorando perdão. Chorei, meu pai disse boa sorte. Com a mão no meu ombro, seu líder de morte disse Marley, agora é só você. E não vai adiantar, chorar vai me fazer sofrer. Muito bom.
One of the most important rock band in Brazil, Titãs, or as you know, Titãs. So this is it, guys. This is the end. My name is Matos Domingos, and this is another very special video for the Brazilian around the world. I hope you have enjoyed this place, the festival, the international festival of fishing in Caceres. Alright guys, take care. I'll see you on the next video, and you know the drill. If you like my content, you know, give me your support and, you know, hit the like button, share with your friends. It's gonna help me a lot. See you on the next video. Bye.